We've had some persistent spits and sprinkles across Siouxland with about 2/10 of an inch in Spencer, adding up about 1/10 of an inch in Yankton, South Dakota, about 1/10 of an inch as well in Orange City and Sibley, 6/100 of an inch in Sioux City, and 3/100 in Norfolk. But we have had over 6 inches of precipitation now in Sioux City since April the 1st, and that's more than if you were to take June, July, August, and September of last year. It doesn't even come close to adding up to that much, so we're definitely taking a bite out of that drought. Stormcast HD, as we go through the night tonight, we should see those clouds start to thin out at least a little bit, and we will have some periods of dense fog and also some sprinkles out and about across Siouxland. As we go through the day tomorrow, some periods of sunshine, and then, as you can see on Tuesday, our next system starts to come together. We do have a chance of seeing some showers through the afternoon hours to the west of Sioux City, and then those should sweep across much of the area, maybe even a thunderstorm as we go into Tuesday evening. It looks like that rain will last then until possibly even Friday morning. The forecast for tonight, 44 degrees, patchy fog and some sprinkles. As we go through tomorrow, a high of 70 degrees, partly cloudy skies, very pleasant and seasonal, and we definitely deserve it after a weekend that's been less than exceptional. Here's our 10-day forecast. So that chance of seeing showers and storms beginning on Tuesday night, lasting into Wednesday and Thursday. But look at those temperatures staying in the 70s, pretty nice through much of the week there. 68 on Friday, 63 for Saturday, breezy and cooler for the next weekend, but at least we'll have some sunshine. And then the warmer temperatures return Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week when we should get into the 80s.